Dear friends, have a good day. Here in this video, today we are going to look at lesson 18, Simpson's 1/3 rule. First off, you must know the main objective of Simpson's 1/3 rule. The main objective of Simpson's 1/3 rule. The main objective is to find the area bounded by the curve y is equal to f of x between the x-axis and the line x equal to a and x equal to b. So we need the curve y is equal to f of x and the limits x equal to a and x equal to b. Therefore, enter the curve y is equal to f of x and the limits x equal to a and x equal to b are the inputs. So step 1 becomes enter the curve y is equal to f of x and the limits a and b are the inputs. Now we need to know the formula to find the area by using Simpson's 1/3 rule. The formula is area is equal to h by 3 into y0 plus yn plus 2 into y2 plus y4 plus etc plus yn minus 2 plus 4 into y1 plus y3 plus etc plus yn minus 1, where h is equal to b minus a by n and y0 is equal to f of x0. So enter the value n, the number of interval, or h, the interval of differencing. Step 2 becomes enter the value n, the number of interval, or h, the interval of differencing. That is, we have to enter either one of this, either the number of interval or the interval of differencing. To apply the formula Simpson's 1/3 rule, we need to compute y0, y1, y2, y3, etc. yn. Step 3 becomes compute y0, y1, y2, etc. yn. Now compute the area is equal to h by 3 into y0 plus yn plus 2 into y2 plus y4 plus etc plus yn minus 2 plus 4 into y1 plus y3 plus etc plus yn minus 1. So compute area as step 4. Then print the area as A. That is step 5. Now we are going to look at the algorithm step by step. Step 1, enter the given function y is equal to f of x. Step 2, enter the limits a and b and the number of interval n. Step 3, find h is equal to b minus a by n. Step 4, use the following formula to find the area is equal to h by 3 into y0 plus yn plus 2 into y2 plus y4 plus etc plus yn minus 2 plus 4 into y1 plus y3 plus etc plus yn minus 1. And then step 5, print the results. Now we are going to type the coding of the Simpson 1/3 rule. The first line is percentage program to find the area using Simpson's 1/3 rule. This is the command line. With the help of percentage symbol, we can know that this is a command line. This line helps the user to know what this program will do. And then CLC semicolon. This command clears the command window when you run the program. The first step is enter the given function f of x. This is achieved by the command f is equal to at of x 1 by 1 plus x squared. And then enter the interval of differencing h. This is achieved by the command h is equal to 0.2. Then enter the lower and upper limit of the interval. Also compute the number of observation. This is achieved by the command a is equal to 0 semicolon, b is equal to 1 semicolon, n is equal to b minus a by h semicolon. Compute the initial and final value of x and y. This is achieved by the command x0 is equal to a, y0 is equal to f of a, x of n is equal to b, and y of n is equal to f of b. Compute the next value of x and y. That is x of 1 is equal to a plus h and y of 1 is equal to f of a plus h. Now we have to compute the remaining values of x and y. This is achieved by the command x of I plus 1 is equal to x of I plus h. And j is equal to x of I plus 1 and y of I plus 1 is equal to f of j. This is to be repeated from 1 to n minus 1 time. So we have to insert this group of statements in between the for loop. After all the values of x and y have been computed, it should be printed with the column titles x and y. This is achieved by the command fprintf. backslash tx, backslash t, backslash t, backslash ty. Now the column titles have been printed with the help of fprintf command. Now each values of x and y are to be printed. This is also achieved with the help of fprintf command. fprintf backslash n percentage 6.4f slash backslash t percentage 6.4f comma x of I comma y of I, and this fprintf command should be inserted in between the for loop. So this is to be repeated from 1 to n times. So this is inserted in between the for loop. Now the formula to find the area by Simpson 1/3 rule is area is equal to h by 3 into y0 plus yn plus 2 into y2 plus y4 plus etc plus yn minus 1 plus 4 into y1 plus y3 plus etc plus yn minus 2. Now the sum of initial and final values of y are computed by the variable sum1. This is achieved by the command sum1 is equal to y0 plus y of n. Now the sum of even index values of y are to be computed by the variable name sum2. This is achieved by the command sum2 is equal to sum2 plus y of I. This process is to be repeated from 2 to n minus 1 times. So this is achieved by the for loop for I is equal to 2 colon 2 colon n minus 1. Here we have to find the even index values. Sum of even index values. That is why here we have entered the step size as 2. If we find the sum of 2 or more values in a variable name, then the variable name is to be initialized as 0. That is why this is achieved by the command sum2 is equal to 0. Now the sum of odd index values of y are to be computed by the variable name sum3. This is achieved by the command sum3 is equal to sum3 plus y of I. This process is to be repeated from 1 to n minus 2 times. So this command is inserted in between the for loop. If we find the sum of 2 or more values in a variable name, then the variable name is to be initialized as 0. So that is why here we have to initialize sum3 as 0. This is achieved by the command sum3 is equal to 0. Now the area is computed by the formula area is equal to h by 3 into y0 plus yn plus 2 into y2 plus y4 plus etc plus yn minus 1 plus 4 into y1 plus y3 plus etc plus yn minus 2. So this is achieved by the command area is equal to h by 3 star sum1 plus 2 star sum2 plus 4 star sum3, because here the initial and the final value sum is computed in the variable name sum1, and the even index values are summed by the variable name sum2, and the odd index values are summed by the variable name sum3. Now the area is to be printed with the help of the fprintf command. So fprintf backslash n, the area is equal to percentage 6.4 of area. To make this coding as a MATLAB program, click the MATLAB shortcut icon in the desktop. Then it will bring you to the installed MATLAB version. Then this screen will open. Now you have successfully launched in the installed version of MATLAB environment. Then click here to create a new script file for writing the coding of your MATLAB program. So this is the MATLAB text editor. Here you can type your coding. Now we are going to type the coding in the MATLAB text editor. Now the coding has been typed successfully. Now the coding has been saved as simp underscore 1 by 3 underscore nm. Now click the run button to run the program. After pressing the run button, the program will be executed in the command window. Now the program has been executed. Once the program has been executed, double click here to maximize the command window. Now the command window has been maximized. Here you can view the results easily. The area is 1.3662.
இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க, மறக்காம Subscribe பண்ணுங்க.
Thank you.